Hi. Our today lecture is to run the conversion campaign of a specific brand. If you want to run the conversion campaign to get the sales from the Facebook. So the first thing is that we have to open up the Facebook Ads Manager by writing on the Google business.facebook.com/ads manager. Write down it on the Google Chrome. Then you will see this interface. This is your ads manager where you can run the ads for your sales or to promote any product on internet through the Facebook ads. So the first step is that you have to click on create button here on the left side. Then the first step is that you have to choose the right goal for your business. If you want to sell any product online, then you have to choose the sales campaign objective. So by this objective, we tell Facebook that for what purpose we are running the campaigns. So we have to select the sales campaign here, then click on continue. There are two type of campaign setup. The first one is the advanced plus sale campaigns. It means Facebook will automatically choose the targeting and creatives when you will select this option, but we have to select the manual sale campaign because this setup is not mature right now because this is very new. So we have to use the old method manual sale campaign by checking up this box. Then click on continue. There are the three steps in the Facebook ads, creating Facebook ad. The first one is the sale campaign. The second one is the ad set level. The last one is the ad level. Right now we are in the campaign level. The first step is that write the campaign name. The right campaign name. For example, you are selling the product for any brand, then you have to write the campaign name, your bidding strategy, and your brand name here. After writing the campaign name, there is option to choose a special ad category. For example, if you are running ad for any employment, for any banking, for loan, for mortgage services, and any uh, discount services, for example, loan services. So you have to choose the special ad category. But before choosing the special ad category, you have to prove your identity from Facebook that you can do by your Facebook account. The next step is the buying type. It is a default auction. The Facebook auction is CPM, cost per 1,000 impression. Sales is our campaign objective. There is the option to select the catalog. If you are running for ads for e-com product, then you must have a catalog in your Facebook commerce account. Then you can also choose your catalog to run ads. In the catalog, you have to select multiple products to run the ads. Next is the A/B test. If you want to test your campaigns, test your targeting and objectives, then you will select this option, turn on the A/B test. The campaign objective, the campaign targeting will be multiple, and you can just test the campaigns and you will see the results in the creative testing after the successful running of the campaign for the 3 days. The next option is the campaign budget optimization. It means if you want to invest your budget on the campaign level, then just simply turn on campaign budget optimization. There are two types of budget strategy in the campaign budget optimization. The first one is the daily budget. If you want to invest on your ads daily, then you will select the daily budget. The second one is the lifetime budget. If you want to select a limited budget for your campaign, then you just simply write down the lifetime budget and select your budget here. So right now I'm using the daily budget because daily budget is much preferable as compared to the lifetime budget. There are the four bid strategies available in the Facebook ads. The first one is the lowest cost. The lowest cost is the default bid strategy for Facebook ads, in which Facebook will try his best to give you the result in the lowest cost. The second one is the cost cap, in which you will write down and you will give an amount in which Facebook will try to give you the results. The second one is the minimum ROS. By checking up this option, you will control your ROS while getting the highest purchase value of your budget. The last one is the bid cap, in which you will just write down the bid. You will just limit your budget on the bid cap, in which Facebook will give you the 1,000 impression within your bid cap amount. Right now I'm using the lowest cost. By clicking on next, I will just go to the ad set level. Same like the campaign level, here we have to choose the ad set name first. After writing the ad set name, after writing the ad set name, you have to select the conversion location. For example, if you want to track the conversion on website, on an app, website and app, on Messenger or WhatsApp. Right now, I need conversion on website. So I'm selecting this option. After that, you will choose your pixel. Right now I'm using this pixel, ads pixel for Shopify Facebook ad. After that, you have to choose the conversion event, the main conversion event that you want to track. So right now I have to track the purchase event, so I'm selecting the purchase. After selecting the conversion event, then there is an option of dynamic creative, in which you will give Facebook multiple images, multiple headlines, multiple description. Then Facebook will optimize your descriptions, your headlines, your images on per person basis. After that, you have to schedule your ad. You have to write the start date and end date. I will suggest you to write the start date, but leave the end date. To select the start date, I will suggest you to write the time from 11:59 p.m. midnight. There is an option to select the audience. This is the main portion of your Facebook ad. You have to select the right audience for your ads. The first one is to choose the location where you want to sell or promote your business. The second one is to select the age range relevant to your product or business. For example, I am selling the product in the United States. So I will select United States all, or I can also select the different states in the United States. So right now I am targeting the people who are currently living in this location. So I just want to show my ads in front of the audience that are living in the United States right now. You can simply include or exclude your audience by clicking on this option. For example, if I don't want to show my ads in Alaska, then simply click on exclude and write here Alaska. Now my ad will show in front of the audience that are living in the United States, but excluding the audience that are living in the Alaska. Now simply I will select the age range. Now I will select the age relevant to my business. For example, I am selling the product that the customer will buy from the age range 22 to 54. So I will select here the age range. That is relevant to my business. After select, I have to select the gender that is relevant to my business. For example, I am selling the men products, so I will just select the men. Now here is the detailed targeting. In this targeting, you can target the audience by their demographics, interest, and behaviors. For example, if you want to target parents, then you can simply click on browse, click on demographics, and click on parents. Now there is also option to target all parents, or you can also drop down by the children types. For example, parents with adult children, parents with preschoolers, parents with preteens. For example, right now I'm targeting all parents. Now, the next one is the interest-based targeting. For example, if you want to sell something and you want to target that audience that are currently interested in that product. For example, I am selling iPhone. So I will just target the audience who are interested in the iPhone. Just simply write down here and select this. See, this is the interest. Simply click on iPhone. And the last one is you can also target the audience by your behaviors, by their behaviors. For example, someone is who are purchasing something right now or not. For example, I am targeting the currently shoppers that are purchasing something right now. Here is the engaged shopper, which is the behavior, not the interest. So the behavior is different from interest. Interest means someone who have interest in that product, but the behavior means who are currently buying something from on this product. After that, you have to choose the relevant language. For example, if you are running the ads in any other country, for example, in Russia, in Germany, then you have to select the relevant language. If you are running ads in the US and UK, then you have to choose English. You can also choose English all, UK and US both. The next step is to select the placement. I will recommend you to choose automatic placement because Facebook will optimize your ads according to the platforms. But you can also choose a manual placement if you don't want to show ads on another extra platforms like Audience Network and Messenger. For example, if you only want to show your ads on Instagram, then you just simply deselect your Facebook, Audience Network, and Messenger. You can also run your ads on Instagram from this Facebook Ads Manager. If you want to run the ads only on Facebook, then you will simply deselect other options and just keep selected Facebook. But right now I'm using the automatic placement because it is more converting as compared to the manual placements. The next step is to choose the optimization for ad delivery. What is your optimization goal? For example, your main focus is on conversions or on landing page views or link clicks. In the sale objective, there are many type of optimization for ad delivery. You can choose landing page views, you can choose link clicks, unique reach, or impression. It means if I will select link clicks, then Facebook will think my main focus is to get the link clicks from my ads. But right now I want sales, then I will choose conversion because Facebook will think my main goal is to get conversions from the ads. After that, simply click on next. Now I am on ad level. Here I will design my ad and will write the text on my ad. Same like the campaign level and ad set level, you have to write down the ad name here. For example, I'm using the single image ad. And select the Facebook page and Instagram account on which you want to run the ads. After that, there is an option to create the ad or use existing post from your Facebook page, your website, or your Instagram account. So right now I'm just going to create the ad. You can simply open or just close the dynamic formats and creatives in which Facebook will automatically optimize your ad format, creative, and destination for each person when you use a catalog. But right now, I'm just turning it off. My format is single image or video. You can also create the ad in carousel format and collection. But right now, I'm using the single image. Here in Add Creative, you have to select the media, video, image, or multiple images. Right now, I'm using the image. Add image, I will suggest you to use the 1080 by 1080 pixel add image. It is optimized image form for Facebook ads. And for the stories, there is a ratio of 9:1 for story. Here you can see the recommendation 9:1 6 for the story ads, or a 1:1 for original feed ad, and the right column 1.91:1. So right now I'm using the recommended in stories and reels, original in feeds, and original in white column. Then simply click on next. Allow enhancement, it will automatically enhance your ads, and click on done. Now your ad image is loaded. You can see the preview of your ad here. Now you have to write down the primary text. Primary text will be shown in on upper side of the ad image. So you have to write the primary text here. Here I have written the primary text of my ad. You can see the preview here. It will be you can see the primary text preview here. For example, now here is the headline. You can see the headline here. Let me write down the headline. And here's the description of your product. It is optional. If you want to add the description, then you can add here. Now you have to select the call to action button. Right now I'm selling the product online, so I will select the shop now because it is the best call to action button if you are selling something online. Then you have to select the destination where you want to land your audience. For example, if you want to land your audience on your website and shop, then you will select this option. But right now, I just want to land the audience on my website. So I will paste the website URL here. Now simply copy paste your website URL here. You can also choose the specific product page URL here. If you want to land the audience on a specific product page of your website, then you will simply just copy and paste the URL of your product page here. Here is the display link that you can see here on the above of the headline. This is the display link. If you will leave, it will be automatically display according to the URL. Then simply click on publish to publish the campaigns. Before publishing the campaign, please double check your pixel. Your pixel is active or working. Then simply click on publish to run your campaigns.